All right, Ryan's back, full forecast time. I know Saturday was pretty bad and a lot of places dangerous for people. Yesterday, though, was about as nice as October 31st that I can remember in recent memory. I mean, it was downright gorgeous outside.
It was really nice.
Yeah.
As soon as those clouds cleared out, and last night for trick-or-treating worked out well. But you're right, Lee, Saturday night was pretty wild. Want to show you some of the rainfall totals? We had places that topped 6 inches of rain, a lot of this falling in just about a 6-hour window. Obviously, too much rain to handle at once. The highest amounts were York County, parts of the mid-coast, but Portland came away with 4 inches, Bangor and Auburn between 3 and 4 inches as well. So a lot of rain. We can use a little bit of a break, and we actually have one coming up this week. Not much rain in the forecast. 51 right now in Bangor, 44 in Calais, 51 in Portland, and 45 in Lewiston. So not too chilly out there right now, but the rest of the week, the mornings will be a lot colder. We have a cold front just to our west, and once this comes through today, it will start to become a bit more breezy. We'll have a lot of sunshine, but there will be a noticeable breeze. So if you have outdoor plans today, one thing to be aware of. No big systems on the map, but to the west there are some showers, so I think tomorrow maybe a sprinkle, more likely that we see a sprinkle or shower on Wednesday. So here we go this morning, a few clouds and maybe even a sprinkle in the mountains, but those will quickly diminish. High temperatures today probably happen around 1 o'clock. Then that cooler air starts to settle in during the afternoon. And with that breeze, it will have a cooler feel, but we'll have a lot of sunshine, so a good looking day coming up today. Average high is 54, and I think we hit 58 in Bangor, perhaps even 60 in Portland this afternoon. Tonight, cooling down though. We'll be down into the 30s with a partly cloudy sky, some patches of frost inland, but most of us should have temperatures safely above freezing tonight. There are some of those clouds that move in overnight tonight, and then tomorrow is a partly sunny day, perhaps a sprinkle tomorrow, but I think much of the time will end up being dry. But it will be cooler. High temperatures in the lower half of the 50s tomorrow, with the southwest wind coming in between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Somewhat higher chances for a sprinkle, maybe even a snow flurry on Wednesday, especially in the mountains with this little disturbance coming through. It will be cool on Wednesday with highs in the 40s to around 50. And then chillier air settles in for Thursday. Looks partly sunny. High temperatures on Thursday will be in the mid 40s. That's about it. We haven't had many bright and cool days so far this year, or this season, I should say, but Thursday likely to be one of them. And then late in the week, there will be a storm that tries to form offshore, but almost all suggestions right now are that the storm track should remain offshore, and that would keep us dry for the end part of the week. So after all the rain that we had over the weekend, it does look like we get a break in this upcoming week. Here's the marine forecast for today. We'll have seas around 4 to 7 feet with a westerly wind 20 to 25 knots, gusting up to 30 knots, and that's why small craft advisories are in effect. So bright, breezy today, and the warmest day of the week too. Upper 50s to near 60. Partly sunny tomorrow, turning a little bit cooler, but typical for this time of the year. Perhaps some snow flurries in the mountains on Wednesday, then a chilly day on Thursday with highs in the mid 40s. As long as that storm stays offshore late in the week, should be pretty decent for Friday and the upcoming weekend. And Lee, worth noting, we're going to turn those clocks back an hour next Saturday night. So
yes,
something to
we
look
are.
forward to.
Yep. All right.